Hello guys, actually welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3.1 for free. So there is a special tool called Gemini Gen, like Gemini. This tool is called Gemini Gen.ai. This is a tool that will allow you to use AI video creation tool like the Veo 3.1 for free and is unlimited. You don't need to pay for anything to use this. That is what this tool allow you to use. So before you start using this, just click on the first one. Once you search on your Google Chrome, you will search for Gemini Gen AI, and once you search for this Gemini Gen AI, it's going to show you the app you can use to generate video. So I'll be clicking on this one so that it will take me to the app to register. So in this app, it will allow you to create video 3 videos totally without paying 5 naira, everything. Even the Nano Banana Pro, you access it for free here. And the sweetest part of this is that you don't need, like, it has no watermark to use this. I'm going to show you one of my recent generation, and also I'm going to generate a simple sample so that we can see how this thing work. So let me just show you one of my recent generation in this tool and how realistic and high quality this design is. So this is what I created recently today using this same tool I'm talking about. This tool will allow you to create AI videos. I'm coming. Okay, coming. Okay, let me just give you a sample. I think it will be more better when I give you a sample. So click on go to studio. So by the time I click on go to studio, it's going to take me to where I can create. So here is the studio when I can create my videos, extend my videos. And the sweetest thing about this is that you can create images. Imagine will allow you to use Nano Banana Pro to generate high quality images. Images like when you can change, add a reference image, maybe make yourself wear a suit or something, all these generated images. This tool will allow you to use it for free. You don't need to pay, unlike when you're accessing this on Gemini app. It's you need a subscription before you can use this, but here you are going to use it and create high quality videos for free without paying 5 naira. That is what this tool allow you to do. Then again, apart from this Gemini, it also allow you to create videos, generate videos. Example of videos you can generate in this website: you can generate videos for Sora, the latest AI video app by ChatGPT, the OpenAI company. So it allow you to create videos with this tool as well. Also allow you to create with the Google Advanced Video Generation Model. You create video for free without any credit being charged from your credit balance. So let's try out this. Let's try out with the first one, which is Sora. This one will allow you to create Sora videos without paying or adding anything. So you can even add a reference image when generating the video. Just the way you can add a reference when doing this in Veo, but just that Sora does not allow you to add your real image like human face to create images and create videos. So that's why I'm not going to add any human image. So let's say let me create a simple video. Let me say let me first select my cameo. You can select the cameo you want to use. There's so many cameos here. This way you can use Sora. So I'm going to use the CEO's cameo, Sam Altman. So I'm going to create a YouTube tutorial video. Let's say create a YouTube tutorial video on how to use Gemini Gen. Okay, let's say how to use Gemini Gen, Gemini Gen AI. So I'm creating a video that will show how to use this, and the image of the person I'm going to use is the CEO of OpenAI. So you can select the orientation of how you want your video to be. You want it to be landscape, portrait, or any format, and you can select the quality. The resolution you can select here is 720, and again the duration you can select the duration. Though here you can only select durations for 10 seconds. That is when you can generate free. So click on generate with Sora. So by the time you click on generate with Sora, it will now start the generation process. As you can see, it's now counting on. So it will now count and wait from the queue to start your generation. After some minutes, you can check back to see your generated video. One thing about this is that you just need to be patient because it's holding a lot of requests in a times. You see so many people trying to generate a video in with this tool. So sometimes you have to stay in the queue. So you can go back maybe later and check on your history to see this. You can see my history is already showing me that this video generation with Sora 2 is already generating. I'm only having 2% now. So it may take longer before it finish because of the request of how people are trying to use this tool. Because when something is totally free, you see a lot of requests on the website. Then again, apart from this, like this app is so amazing that anything you need you can use in this app for free. Moving on again, you can also create VO3 videos, and the sweetest thing about this one is that you can select the model you want to use for the VO3 video. We have Veo 3.1 fast, Veo 3.1 and Veo 2. So we use Veo 3.1, which is the latest model of video creation, and you can simply add your image when creating, just the way you can add your image when creating in Gemini, Flow, or any aspect of Google Gemini subscription that requires payment. You can use this for free as well here. So again, looking forward again, you can just type the prompt of what you want to create. So I just type a prompt of what I want to create. I can even check the advanced setting, maybe how do you want it to be, the character, or maybe you have a JSON prompt, or the visual, the lighting of how you want the video to be. You really want to select the format, unlike when you generate videos with Veo 3. You see that maybe the lighting is not good or this is not good. This one will allow you to even select the resolution of your video. You want it to be in a higher quality, 1080p HD quality, you can select, or maybe 720 HD quality. It depends on how you want to create your video. So you just need to put your prompts and it will do the work for you. So after inputting your prompt, then you click on generate video. So by the time you click on generate video, it will start your request. Your request will be sent to the queue and your generation will start. Just the way you can see now, I've started generating with Veo 3. But one thing you need to know is that generating with Veo 3 is more faster than when you are generating with Sora. Sora receives so many requests in hours, so that is why it is not faster. But Veo 3 is more faster when it comes to video generation. So you can try it. If you want to check and see your recent video created, then you can check on the history. Click on history. By the time you click on history, under history you can see the generation process of the video. You can see like that of Veo 3.1 is still it's just starting, so it's still processing. So you can check back in your history so that you can see when this is done. You can download it. Just where you can see in my history here, I have this generated video, and once it's generated you can click on these three dots to check the video or even order the video after being generated. It will give you option to download this video to your mobile. Then you will simply download this to your mobile. Then the more amazing features of this again, like this thing is just mad. Again, we have this speech generation. This way you can generate a voice, like maybe text to speech, document to speech, depending on how you want it to be. I can simply write a text and tell the AI to maybe narrate or speak something that I did not even speak it using this AI tool. You can just simply type how do you want your motion to be. Maybe do you want to be an announcement, you want it to be an apology, angry advertisement or something. So let me click on advertising. So I will click on advertising and I'll put the prompt of what I want to create and the voice I'm going to use. There are so many voices here you can select to get your generated voice. So you can simply just put, oh, this is what I want to create here, and this thing will do for you. So let's say create a video, create a voiceover. Let's make it like a voiceover to advertise Gemini Gen. Okay, let's say I'm creating something like this to advertise Gemini Gen. So this thing now we check based on the prompt I gave him, and it creates the voiceover for me. Let's say I have something like this. I have clicked now, so it will start the generation. I'll check back on my history. Under history, I can see the voice I'm creating. So you can see it's already generating the voice. So I can check back when this thing is done, then I'll download the voice generating. So these are just some of a list, like let me just say the most amazing features when generating video with this, and generating video, generating voice and others with this same tool called Gemini Gen. You can try it out now to access these amazing features for free before they stop giving it out for free. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial video. I'm in my humble self, the digital Ustaz.